हेलो फ्रेंड्स, या आई एम राजेश, आपका शुभचिंतक. या well wisher for you friends. I'm going to show you today Boya Mic. Yeah, you will understand about Boya Mic and you will see how look like, and also you will know how many yard it is. Okay, so friends, so chalte hain, let's go my friends. Start now video. Okay, let's go. This is the Boya Mic. Yeah, how to use it, I tell you. This is very easy. It's nothing, like you can plug. You see, this is I already unboxed. You can plug in the mobile and you can use easy, but after plug you have to make this here. You see, I will show you. This is, they have two, like a camera. You see, this is this button. You see, you have to make down, for the mobile. Yeah, smartphone. This is, then it will be start. I show you more near. You will see this. You'll see this one. Yeah, so this is nothing. It's very easy. And also I will show you what you get when you buy this Boya Mic. Just a moment, I will bring you. Yeah, now I'm back. You see, I was on the pause, so see friends, yeah, you'll get this also. You see this one. Yeah, this is for your computer. You don't have to throw away. This is you keep when you use computer, notebook, you have to use this one. For example, you see this one, you have to put here. You see this here, I am putting here. After that, from this, then you put on the computer. Okay, this is done. Yeah, now I take up already. Yeah, and we have to understand that the 90 centimeter equal to 1 yard. Okay, this is not talking, sorry, I'm not talking meter, yard. Okay, I'm going to tell how many yard this Boya Mic. So the means like 90 centimeter is the 1 yard. So how many yard this Boya Mic I'm going to measure front of you. Okay, practical. You see, so this is here. I start from the one. You'll see I'm measuring. This is the already 90 centimeters, so 1 yard. So actually it is the 6.65. yeah, this is more than 6 yard. Okay, this is the 6.65 yard. Yeah, so friend, now we already know this is the Boya Mic. How many yard? More than 6 yard. I heard, because why I measure and show you, because many people said 5 yard, but it's okay, it's not important, but I curious to understand this how many meter. Okay, so friend, this Boya Mic, it's very good also when you live with the, I see I'm going to use right now. Okay, this is the already come down, but no worry, this is put inside. Right now I'm going to use this Boya Mic. You see, I here put here. It's nothing, friend. See, I'm going to plug now in the phone. 1 minute. Yes, I done. My son's okay. So see, now it's here like that. Already this is the down. You see, I'm going to use round Boya Mic. This is already I down, so no have problem. So friend, I tell you, this was the Boya Mic. You see, now I'm going to use, friend. I tell you, this is for your audio. This very important. You see, all YouTuber almost they are like, I not say them this, they use Boya Mic only, but the most of the like a percentage, like about the 60% I think about they use this Boya Mic. This is very good for audio to your like a audio record. Your audio will be very good, like look like you are talking from the like face to face. So friend, this is the Boya Mic. And my already like this is review, and I like to tell you friends, and this is very good for audio like a live, like use this Boya Mic when you record something, or like use this Boya Mic. This is very important. This is price about the, I tell you about the around the 300 not 300, sorry, I talking, this is not 350 baht, like a tripod. This is the about 450 baht. This is in Thailand, like I bought 450 baht this Boya Mic. So this is very good to use, friend, and the friends, try this, is no problem. Something you want to do in the life, please do it, because if you not do, nobody can do for you, like so you have to try yourself. This is the Boya Mic wash review. Yeah, so friends, I hope you like this video. If you like, please share to friend. Yeah, it's as you like. You can listen your heart, don't listen me. Okay, God bless, friends. टेक केयर, जय हिंद। यही था मेरा ये बोया माइक का रिव्यू आप सबके लिए। मैं आशा करता हूँ आप लोग का ये अच्छा लगा होगा वीडियो, ठीक है। आई होप दैट यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो एंड यू लाइक समथिंग यू लर्न फ्रॉम। इट इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम द एवरीबॉडी, फॉर एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज द लाइक a new look, like like a first time, so I had curious, therefore I made this Boya Mic video for you friends. Okay, and I am a new YouTuber, I am new YouTuber that started. So friends, take care, my best wishes with all of you guys. Jai Hind.